Today we're doing a challenge and we're guessing what we have. And look at my item. Let me show you what I got. I got this. Okay. You can show the camera what you got.
Close your eyes.
I don't need to close my eyes because there's something on the screen. So yeah.
You see that, guys?
No cheating. Because I cannot see you.
Okay, is you.
I got a cat.
Is you got a cat, repeat.
What do you got?
I
Yeah.
got an apple.
Potato.
Yes.
Okay. If you have a potato, stomp it. Okay.
If you have a cat, right with it.
Oh my god. Okay.
Okay, I think I know what you have.
What do I have?
Do you have a screwdriver?
How do you know? Because you can see me.
Oh!
What do you have? I must see what you have. You must lift the thing up.
I got.
A hat. Wow.
I win, guys.
Guys, he was cheating because you can see under the paper. You see this paper? I put it on the screen. But he cheated. Scammer. Look, yeah.